A state's corporate income tax rate could mean more or fewer jobs for its residents, depending on the percentage. Current legislation would reduce Indiana's rate if passed. Indiana's corporate income tax rate is currently at 8.5%. Legislation would lower that rate to 6.5%. Some people say that could result in new growth for the Hoosier State. News Channel 18's Aaron Leedy reports.
And when you talk about the cost of doing business, taxes are probably just about at the top of the list.
Pending legislation would reduce Indiana's corporate income tax rate by 2 percentage points. Republican Senator Brant Hirschman authored the bill that recently passed out of the Ways and Means Committee 18-4.
It's more expensive to locate a new business in Indiana from a corporate tax perspective than it is in Germany or Japan.
A state's corporate tax rate could be the deciding factor for companies wanting to relocate. But for existing businesses, they could leave the state, especially if the tax rate is too high.
You could be willing to move because of that tax rate.
Greater Lafayette Commerce President Joe Siemens says taxes definitely play a role. In late March, it was reported Caterpillar Incorporated CEO was upset with a more than 2% tax hike in Illinois. Questions were raised about the company's future in that state, but Illinois Democratic Governor Pat Quinn believes his state can be just as competitive with a higher tax.
We're rated in the top 10 in the country, our state, as a place to come to do business.
A lower tax for Indiana does, however, come at a price. An exact amount of reduced state revenue wasn't available, but Hirschman says his plan addresses that.
And we found a way to pay for it that doesn't affect our other budgetary priorities at all by closing some existing business tax loopholes.
Factors such as the price of land, location, and transportation costs play a role in a company's relocation decision. But Siemens says a competitive rate could help out in the decision making.
It certainly gives us an edge up above everybody.
The bill will now go before the House in the coming days. Aaron Leedy, News Channel 18.